Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we will show you fence designs that can boost your property value. First up, vinyl fencing. It's durable, low maintenance, and available in many styles. Wood fencing offers a classic look with customization options through stains and paints. Metal fencing adds a modern touch while providing excellent durability and security. Privacy fencing enhances security and is highly desirable for many home buyers. Picket fencing offers a charming aesthetic, perfect for adding curb appeal. Decorative fencing features unique designs that enhance visual interest and style. Stone or brick walls provide a high-end look that significantly boosts property value. Garden fencing defines spaces beautifully and adds charm to your property. Ranch-style fencing is ideal for larger properties, creating a rustic appeal. Finally, smart fencing solutions integrate security and modern convenience. Choose the right design to enhance your home and increase its value. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.